Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I'm going to unbox or open this Smoke and Mirrors 12 Days of Spa. It's a spa advent calendar right here. And it says what I get right there, but I've made it a point to not look. My children, I think this one was for my grandchildren. They got me this for Christmas, and I have not opened it yet, and I wanted just to wait and save it. I wanted Abby to do this with me, Abby and Zach, but they got a lot of cool things, so and this is not one of them. They have their own little things now. So, anyway, I decided, I said, you know what, I'm going to do this tonight, so I can go ahead and utilize it and put it up. So, let's get started. So, this has 12 boxes, so let's see what we got. And the brand is from Smoke and Mirrors. So, let's see, box number 1, or little spot number 1. Is, let's see if I can get it open. True story. I don't think I've ever had an advent calendar, and I absolutely love watching unboxings of them or the opening of them. I really do. Ooh, that little bitty hole. I have 2 things in it. This hole, look at it, was this big. This was the thing I popped out of right there, and it comes with a little bath sponge, and this looks like a bath bomb. And there's no easy way to get that out, so I'll leave that in there for the time being. But we got a little, it's not a really big one, but that's fine. A little bath spongy. Poof. Let's see, let's pull my cart over here a little bit better. All right, so let's go into box number 2, or door number 2. And in that, I'm going to put my glasses on now so I can see. So, let's see. This is some sort of spray. And I was able to pop this out. So this is a hyaluronic acid and rose spray. Now I gotta put my reading glasses on. This is a facial mist. How about that? Ooh, I love the smell of rose. I know that it is synonymous with old ladies, a grandma smell. Well, guess what? I am an old lady and I am a grandma. I'll be 51 years old in just a few days. Whew. Yes, my birthday month. So, got a little oil. Alrighty, so let's see, that was box 2. Let's come in here to 3. Let me see. Oh, here it is. This is another one of those little holes. Another little bath bomb. I'm going to leave those in there because they're kind of not very easy to pop out. Okay, And box number 4 is this one. Now, I can't compare any prices because I don't have them. This was a gift. This is a hyaluronic acid and rose face wash. So, and these are mini sizes, but that's all I need. And isn't that cute? I mean, it's enough for me. Okay, let's see. That was 4. This is 5. 5's a pretty big one. So let's see what we got in number 5. We got some lips. We got a lip mask in number 5. How about that? Alrighty. And let's see, here's 6 right here. Let's see. Six is a collagen and vitamin C eye cream right there. Now, this is obviously a mini, but you know what? You don't need a lot with an eye cream because it does not take much. At all. I can't seem to get this one out, so I'll come back to that one. All right, let's see. That one was 6, I think. Yes, 6. So now let's go to 7. 6, 7. Had to do it. No idea what that means, but okay. 7 is empty. So, but I think what had happened was, I think this was supposed to have been number 7, and it just, as I opened it, because this whole thing is just one big tray, and everything's kind of put in there. So I think that's what that was supposed to be. All right, so then let's go to number 8, and number 8 is I'm going to go ahead and just punch these last few. I won't open them, but I'm going to punch them. All right, number 8 is a... Ooh, this is a sweet lavender. This is aromatherapy. Essential oil. And this, to me, is pretty much full size. I mean, I've got plenty of oils that I use, like in my diffusers, and they're this size. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. A lot of lavender. I don't like. It's just too... earthy smelling for me. It's not relaxing to me, but this actually does. Maybe it's because it's sweet lavender. At any rate, be happy about that. All right, so let's hit number 9. I think I just did that. Oh, a whipped vanilla bath salts, and it comes in this cute little one-time use, or yeah, one use. Ooh, that's so good. All right, so then we got 10. Let's see what 10 is. Ooh, this is some more bath salts. Come on. 10 is, yes, it's pink sugar bath salts. And these, ooh, these smell super sweet. Yes. So, got 2 little bath salts there. Then, number 11. Let's see what number 11 is. Oh, this is a pretty big bottle. This is the Pink Sugar Body Lotion. And that's a pretty big bottle. I mean, you could throw this in your bag. I'm going to throw this in my bag. And have some like hand lotion, elbows, arms, you know. I'm not going to be putting it all over my body, but it's perfect for your bag. All right, and the last one, 12 Days of Spa, is eye patches. We're going to go ahead and just demolish this box now so I can get everything out. Okay, so I'm taking everything out now. And let's go over what we got, or what I got. So I'm looking at the bag now so I can read it. So for our 12 days advent calendar, we got, and I'll hold them up as I go through them. I got a pink sugar bath fizz, which is this one that I thought was this. So we've got the bath bomb. And I'm going to put everything in my little mermaid bag from Sigma. So this is perfect for that. All right. Then we got a hyaluronic acid and rose facial mist, 15 ml, which is this. So I'm going to put that in there too. This is me hiding stuff, y'all. Then I got the whipped vanilla bath fizz. Which is, I'm assuming is this one. Then we got a hyaluronic acid and rose face wash, which was this one. And then, let's see, a collagen and rose lip mask, which was this one. These are always so funny to me. Poop, poop, poop. Then we got the collagen and vitamin C eye cream, which is this one. And let's see, we got the bath poof, which was this one, the bath poof. And then a sweet lavender essential oil, which was right here. And let's see, a whipped vanilla bath salts, and then the pink sugar bath salt. So that's pink sugar and whipped vanilla. And a pink sugar body lotion, and a hyaluronic acid and aloe vera eye mask, which there's the eye mask and there's the body lotion right there. So a very nice gift from my my girls' grandchildren. So I love that. I love that I'll be able to spoil myself thanks to them. So that was a lovely, lovely gift. So, and you know, anyway, and we don't do anything for my birthday. My parents may take me out to eat. So there's that. But I will have so much fun with this spa that I am super, super, super excited about that. So, Abby and Zachary, if you are watching this, thank you so much. I appreciate it and I love you very much. For everybody else watching this video, thank you for clicking on this. I hope you consider subscribing. If you are not, come on, hit the follow or like button, subscribe. It's free. I promise it's free. Doesn't hurt anything, and it really helps me out. Now, all that being said, I will let y'all go for now. As always, be beautiful and be kind, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.